I'm going to do a quick review of this Ancel BST200 12-volt battery analyzer. Having a problem with this truck not wanting to start properly, and I just got these batteries replaced. Trying to run down all the stuff about it. So it's 13 volts, it should be good. Go to enter, battery test, in vehicle, regular battery, cold cranking amps are 850 on this thing. Good battery, 13 volts. That tells you everything about it here. Get 2 pages of information. So this battery's good. Not sure what the problem is with this truck, but it seems like anything that can go wrong is going to go wrong with this piece of shit. 13 volts again. Good thing about this, guy, is it saves all your your cold cranking amps, so you don't have to go back and do that again. Got it on Amazon. Good battery. See, it's really quick. It does what it's supposed to. That's all you need in life. Thanks for watching.